withdrawing money from Crunchyroll to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Crunchyroll account. Access your Crunchyroll account by entering your username and password on the website or app. Step 2. Navigate to the payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment or billing section where you can manage your financial information. Step 3. Select withdrawal option. In the payment settings, find the option for withdrawing funds. This may be labeled as withdraw, transfer to bank, or something similar. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Provide the necessary bank account information where you want the funds to be transferred. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review your withdrawal request and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Crunchyroll's customer support for assistance.